Hello everyone, welcome to BeRizel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create the realistic product images using the AI that is known as flair. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. I want to tell you before proceeding that this tool is very powerful. It has a free version and it has a paid version, so you can check it. But in the free version, we will get 100 renders of this app. Plus, if you are working on Fiverr or Upwork or any freelancing platform, or if you have any product and you want to create the real images, but just forget to pay to agencies or photographers to capture the beautiful images, just forget them, and this app will do the professional work for you. So let's get started. Let's move on. Okay. So here you are seeing there are 3 images. I have chosen these 3 products. The first one is air freshener. The second one are the samosas on the plate, and the third one is a water bottle. So I will open the Google Chrome, and I have already opened. I will drop down the link in the comment section. That is flair. You can also see the subscription from here. Like in the free plan, you will get 100 renders plus 5 projects. I've already used 14. And in the pro plan, you will get $10 a month for the full unlimited renders and unlimited projects. So first, you will need to place the product here. In this part, make sure to remove the background. Even if the background of the product is not removed, flair will remove by itself. So I will first go with this one. I will go with the air freshener, and I will place it here, and the product will be uploaded. If you want to remove the background, you can simply click on remove. Or if the background is already removed, you can click skip. After skipping, describe it. So to describe the product, you are seeing here that what are do's and what are don'ts. You just simply need to describe in word or two. So I'm going to describe it like I will write air freshener, and let's see, air freshener. Click done, and the product will be uploaded here. Also, just make sure the product, you need to enlarge the product even if it is small. So I will enlarge it like this, and I will make it center aligned. So this is the product. Now we want to generate the image. So in the template section, you will see some templates here. I will recommend you don't use elements and humans for now, because they are not realistic. That's why. So don't use elements and humans, but if you want or what is required, you can use. So I'll simply go to generate, and you can see the templates. There are already templates. If I will click any of the template, you can see the prompt that it will use. And if I will click this, and here you can see that the prompt is generated: air freshener on a circular platform surrounded by clovers and flowers in front of the ocean and blue skies with clouds in the background. So just simply click generate, and it will try to generate using this image on this template. This will not be exactly the same template because this is an AI and it processes every time. So you can see generated me an image. There are some mistakes in it, like here you can see there is another background. We can remove it from Photoshop, or we can remove it by simply this magic eraser. We can use this magic eraser. You will simply click on this pic. This editing options will appear, and from here you can change the color. You can remove the background. You can magic erase, like if I will use the magic eraser and I don't want this one, so I will erase it. It's up to us. Like here, if I want to erase this thing or this thing here, I will just simply brush it over here and click on generate. So it will generate me the result finally. So as you can see, it has removed this section. So I will also remove this part. This needs to be very carefully handled. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can change the brush size from here, and simply I will run this from here. And now I'll click generate. So from this is the way you can generate these images. I will clear it and I will go on generate. And if you want to generate one of your own prompt, this website has a very powerful prompt generator. If you go and click on editor, you just first is the product. What is your product? Simply describe it in one word or two. You can also write your own. Okay, so I will write here like air fresh. Okay, in this section, the next one is the placement. So in the placement, we have multiple options, like we want placement, surrounding, background, custom, or anything. I would use the placement. In the placement, you have tons of options, like it is placed on, it is standing on, lying on, balancing on, buried in, emerging from in, and etc. And in the next section, we will write a prompt like I will say air freshener, buried in water. Okay, surrounded by flowers. Okay, in front of the ocean with the blue skies in the background. Okay, so let's go with that one. You can also change the number of results from here. You can see if you want like 2 results, 4 results, I will go with 4-1. What is the render strength? It must be default. Color strength, if you want to change it, you can use it. And the next one is outline strength. And here you can see that my prompt has been generated. Air freshener buried in water, surrounded by flowers, in front of the ocean, and blue skies with clouds in the background. I'll click on generate, and let's see the results, what it will generate. It may not be perfect, but we can make it perfect using the right prompts. So you got 100 renders free, and here we have the generations. From here we will scroll it down, and I'm liking this result. This one's good, and this one's is not so good. Here there is a point light, so slight mishaps. And if I will go to assets, and if I want to delete it, I will delete them, and I will go to the next product like the bottle. So there's one more thing. The PNG of the product or the image of the product must be high resolution if you want the best results from Flair. So I will place this bottle here, I will skip it, I will write bottle and click done, and I will enlarge it a little bit like this. I will go to templates, and if I want to use this template, let's say bottle emerging from ripples in a lake surrounded by plants and flowers with sunlight streaming down. So let's click on generate, and let's see. Okay, so here we have results for this product. I am liking this much. This one is very good, and this one is also good, and this one is also good. So let's say if you want to be like this one, if you want to download it, just simply click on the image and click on download image. But it will be downloaded in 500 pixels into 500 pixels or 1000 to 1000 pixels. If you want to upscale the result, simply click on upscale. It will take some time to upscale the image. Now the image has been upscaled. Here is our upscaled image. I will click on download image, and if I will open the image, as you can see, here we have the image for the product. So you can see it creates beautiful images for your products. You will not need any photographer, you will not need any agency to do it for you. You can do it by yourself just by sitting on your laptop, and you will only need a high resolution product image for doing this. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. This service is highly selling on Fiverr right now. That is Product Shoot. You can also sell it to Amazon sellers, like we can do them. You can shoot the product, you can generate their listing images or whatever. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.